Our Megan Tellis is tracking headlines from Las Vegas. Megan, what's going on?
Well, Sonia, out here, our beach bodies never go out of season. For the rest of the country, they're just gearing up. And a few tips from Brooke Burke never hurts. Here are some of her secrets in our Shape Beauty Breakdown.
Brooke is active, healthy, and beautiful.
She takes care of herself, and it shows from the inside and out.
Shape Executive Beauty Director Cheryl Kramer-Kay sharing Brooke's hot tips.
Brooke has her beauty basics. She drinks a lot of water, she tries to get enough sleep, and she washes her face before bed every night. I cannot tell you how important this has become, because it's not just the makeup you're wearing. You've got the pollution from the air, which is really attacking your skin. If you go to bed without washing, you're really sleeping with the city on your face.
Brooke wiping the hours of work, working out, and mom time away every night, keeping her skin beautiful.
You can really tell just by looking at Brooke. She doesn't need a lot of makeup to look beautiful. She really takes care of herself and takes care of her skin, and it shows.
The brunette beauty showing off that glowing skin on Chicken Soup for the Soul's Hidden Heroes.
It's a great family show. What would you do if the situation presented itself, if somebody was getting bullied or somebody was being mistreated? And we're capturing real life moments with some actors. And it's just amazing to be able to talk to my kids. If you saw that happening, would you have a voice?
The star proving she's beautiful inside and out. For more Shape Beauty Breakdown tips, pick up the latest issue on newsstands now.